Hey, listen, in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to explain just how I am pulling these kind of numbers each and every day, selling online courses, selling my advice to the world online. Let me quickly show you here, just so you understand. These are the daily numbers that I do for my online course. And just so you can see here, it's not a fluke. If I go back and I pick just a random date, like April 10th, we did 22,000. The 9th, we did 16,000. The 8th, we did 32,000. And the 7th, we did $19,000. Now, you're probably wondering, how am I doing that much money with an online course? Is it a launch? Do I have JVs? Here's the thing. No JVs, no launches, no live webinars even, no affiliate programs, nothing like that. In fact, all I'm doing is running ads, much like the one you're seeing right now, to an evergreen automated webinar. People watch the webinar and then they are given an opportunity to purchase. So if you like the idea of being able to sell your knowledge, sell your advice, and package it up into an online course and do it completely automated without launches and JVs and all that good stuff, I'd like to show you behind the scenes of how I've done this. If you click the link included with this video, you'll be able to see an on-demand training. It's only about 50 minutes and it breaks down the top 5 things I did to sell online courses at this level. And this is great even if you've never sold an online course, or if you are trying to sell an online course but you're struggling to get ads working, get your webinar converting. This presentation will absolutely help you. All you have to do is click on the link included with this video, enter your name and email, and I'll send you a link to the training. You can watch it immediately. There's no waiting. You don't have to pick a time. You don't have to pick a time to attend. None of that. It's an immediate on-demand training. I will not insult your intelligence trying to say it's live. It's obviously not live. But you can watch it immediately right now. Just go ahead and click the link. I'll be happy to show you behind the scenes of how I do these type of numbers each and every day, completely automated for my online course. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing your results with the information that I am sharing.